Good evening from Graham Valley Farm. Around 5 p.m. June 28th, 2026, and there is a fire very close to our home. I'm not for sure. Oh, there it is. Over the ridge there. Not sure what's on fire. It's not good. There's a lot of dry brush and weeds, and the wind's kicking. Yeah, that's not good. The wind blowing as hard as it is. Well, now it looks like we have 3 fires. There's flames you can see on the hill over there. Yeah, there's multiple fires going now. It's not good. And you see the grass is burning on this side of the hill. Fire started on the other side, or is what I could tell. Yeah, it's on fire right now. Fire is moving fast. That's the original hill where it started, first fire. The other one is over here. I think they're separate fires. I think the wind is carrying embers over. I'm not for sure. I don't think the whole thing's on fire at once. We got Glebe Fire Department over here now. One fire right there burning, and then another one burning over here. I don't know what's in between because I can't see the top of the ridge or haven't heard anything. I'm not seeing the flames like I was. The flames are kicking up again. That's not good.
Reason I got a cat.
Yeah, I think another house must have caught on fire. We had a big old plume of black smoke. Not good. This wind isn't letting up. The other fire is still burning. I can't see it from here because of the trees, but still on that ridge there. Just had a fire truck from Nanchees come by. It was like a water truck. It's great to get help from the neighboring fire departments. Just saw some flames around this house here. Can't see them now. It's definitely burning on the back side of it. It sounded like something just blew up. Looks like another structure's on fire. Well, we're down to one helicopter now. And there's a lot less smoke here. So I'm hoping they got a handle of it. It's about 9:50 p.m. I believe that's the command center at the church across the street from our place. I don't see any more flames from the hill from over here that went all the way to over this direction. Can't see any smoke. It is dark out though. We pray for the people that lost their homes. I'm hoping everyone is safe. Probably will find out more tomorrow. I hope everyone has a good night. I'll catch you next time.